In this class, we will try to solve one more problem of rectangular waveguide. Let's have a look to the problem. It has been given that a air-filled rectangular waveguide has inner dimension 3 cm cross 2 cm. The wave impedance of the TE20 mode, so we are dealing with transverse electric mode of 20, of propagation in the wave at a frequency of 30 gigahertz. The operating frequency is 30 gigahertz. So, and they have also given what will be the impedance in free space, which comes out to be 377 ohm, or which also know that 120 pi. Okay. So, we have to find the impedance, right? So, let us see that how I can find the impedance. Impedance in case of TE mode is given by N naught, which is nothing but free space impedance, divided by 1 minus Fc by F the whole square. This is how the impedance will be calculated in case of your TE mode. Just for information, for the intrinsic impedance in case of TM mode can be calculated in the same way, N naught root over 1 minus Fc by F the whole square. So, if some problem is given to you and they are asking you about the TM mode, you can calculate in this way. So, as the problem is directing to us to a TE mode, so we will be more focused into TE mode. Okay. So, let us rub this. Okay. But in order to solve this, first I need to find the cutoff frequency, right? You can see that here I need a cutoff frequency. So, I have to find the cutoff frequency in case of your TE mode, which is nothing but 20 mode. So, what is the formula we know? Fc is nothing but 1 by 2 pi mu epsilon, okay, root over m pi by a the whole square plus n pi by b the whole square. And this is equal to C, 1 by root over mu naught epsilon naught is C. So, what we know that Fc is nothing but, if I take pi also common, so what I can do it, in this case it is TE20 mode first of all. So, it means m is 2, n is 0. So, this itself is gone, right, TE20 mode. So, I can say that for TE20 mode m equal to 2, n equal to 0, n is equal to 0 means this quantity is gone. So, Fc would be nothing but C by 2 pi root over 2, m is nothing but 2 pi by a the whole square, right. If I simplify this, what will happen? This is nothing but the pi square will come out here, so it will become pi get cancelled, C by 2 root over 2 by a the whole square, right. Again 2 square will come out, will become 2. So, this 2 will get cancelled. On further simplification, this quantity will become what? This quantity will become nothing but C by a, right, because this 2 square will come out become 2, it will get cancelled here, and a square will come out of the square root will become a. So, this is C by a. So, this is what is your Fc, right. So, what is a given to us? A is given to us as 3 centimeter, right. Let us substitute and get the Fc. So, Fc would be 3 into 10 to the power 8, which is nothing but the speed of light, divided by a, which comes out to be 3 into 10 power minus 2, right. So, when I solve this, what I will get is nothing but this will go up. So, this will become 10 gigahertz, right. So, my cutoff frequency is nothing but 10 gigahertz. Once I got the cutoff frequency, I already know the operating frequency comes out to be 30 gigahertz. I can easily solve and I can find the impedance, right. Let us do it here. Okay. So, I know N naught. What is N naught? N naught is nothing but 377 ohm already given to us, right. It has been given in the problem, divided by root over 1 minus, what is Fc? Fc is nothing but 10 gigahertz divided by 30 gigahertz. So, 10 to the power 9 get cancelled. So, divided by 30 the whole square, right. If I solve this, this will be nothing but 377 divided by root over 1 minus 1 by 9, right. This is what you will get, right. If I simplify this, let us simplify it over here. So when I simplify this, what will happen is nothing but 377 divided by, can I say that 8, that is nothing but 9, root over 8 by 3, right. This is how it is. If you solve this, what you will get is nothing but approximately 400 ohms. So eta in case of your TE, which is nothing but 20 mode, comes out to be 400 ohm. So we have find it out what will be the impedance in case of your TE20 mode, which comes out to be 400 ohm. We will see more problem in the next videos.